It's Saturday night and you know what's going down. We're having a very, very lonely date. So when I was out shopping a few weeks ago, this short little old lady had asked me to help her reach something on the top shelf for her, and it ended up being chocolate dipped banana coins. And I was like, wow, I didn't know they sold these, so I had to try some for myself and they were pretty good. But you can always make things better, and so I thought I would try making my own, but these ones are going to be peanut butter chocolate banana coins. When I tried those ones from the store, they were good, but there were some suggestions that I could make to make them better, like they were really thick. I want to make some thinner ones. So I wanted to have the bananas be a little more ripe so that they're a bit softer and kind of sweeter, because right when they're on like that border of overripe, they're pretty sweet, which is good. And you know, we always gotta have the good tasty stuff for Saturday night. So, we are back with Saturday night special again. Ugh. So I cut these thinner, that way I have a little bit more ratio of chocolate peanut butter to actual banana, because the ones that are at the store are like this thick, and so there's a lot of banana compared to chocolate. So what I'm going to try to do is put these in the freezer to make them frozen, and then I will heat up these and then kind of dip them, freeze them again so that it doesn't all drip off, and then dip them again so that I can try and get an even layer of peanut butter and chocolate. I've never done this before, so I don't know how well it'll work, but I guess we will see. So I'll take these and I'll see you back in a little bit. Ta-da! Banana coins. That's cold. So now we are going to attempt to dip them in red hot peanut butter and then see what happens. So here goes nothing, I guess. Well, I had half a jar of peanut butter and I used all of it. So I guess next time, if I'm gonna do 2 bananas, I need the entire jar of peanut butter. I just got back from the store. I went there to get another jar of peanut butter, but they were closed because it's late. Oops. So I guess I'll just go straight into making the chocolate. But before I do, I found out that once you freeze these banana slices, you don't want to unfreeze them or they will dissolve, as you see with these ones. So that's kind of weird, but I'm gonna put these back in the freezer so that I can unstick them without it breaking apart, and then we will get the chocolate going. So, as expected, the peanut butter didn't want to come off, so I had to use a spatula. We will see how easy or not easy this works, but let's find out. Well, I ran out of chocolate too. I guess if I want to do 2 bananas, I have to do 2 chocolate bars and then a full jar of peanut butter instead of a half peanut butter and 1 chocolate bar. But as you can see, these are very ugly because the chocolate cooled off very quickly. So next time I might need to keep it in the pot of water that I was using so that it stays warm longer. Also, the peanut butter started peeling off as I was dipping some of them, so I think I need to freeze them for longer when I do that. Also, there's a lot of moisture left in them, so I think it might have just not wanted to stick because of that. So maybe next time I should freeze the bananas plain overnight to get all the extra moisture out, and then dip them in the peanut butter, and then freeze them for a longer period, and then dip them in the chocolate, and then I should be good. But that comes with doing things for the first time, so I say this was successful. These look pretty good. I haven't tried them yet, but I guess we'll find out soon. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and enjoy your Saturday. Woo!